Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching the Live Keeping app and signing in. Make sure you use a verified email or phone so sessions sync reliably. Once done, grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions. The app needs them to record and save. Next, create or choose a live space and pick visibility: public, friends, or private. This determines who can join immediately. Finally, attach a profile or stream title so viewers know what to expect. It also improves discoverability in the feed. Now you configure the deeper settings to control quality and interaction. First, pick video quality, auto, 720p or 1080p, and enable adaptive bitrate so streams stay smooth on variable networks. Then set privacy controls and add co-hosts. Assign moderator roles to manage chat and keep things civil. Once that's done, link external accounts or tools, schedule your session, and pin resources like links or files. These steps reduce friction while streaming and let you focus on content rather than technical interruptions. You're ready to go live. Preview the stream, check audio levels, and then start the broadcast. Speak clearly and use short cues for transitions so viewers follow. While live, monitor chat and adjust bitrate if viewers report lag. When finished, stop the stream and save the recording. Make sure to finalize metadata and upload the archive if required. If something goes wrong, first restart the app, confirm permissions are intact, and test your network. Those 3 actions solve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.